Good day and welcome back to the Just-in-Time video series. Today we are working on Microsoft Office Word. In our first video we showed how to format your fonts. In this one we'll go over how to format the document itself and maybe get into inserting items into your document. So first thing we need to do is go up here to where it says Format. When you click on Format, I want you to come down here to where it says Paragraph, and you click on that and it's going to give you this page here. First one says tab up here says indent and spacing. That's where we're going to be working. This third section down here says spacing. Why don't you come over where it says line spacing. When you click on that, this little drop down arrow is going to give you different things you can do. Right now it's set for single line, meaning once I type a line and then hit enter to go to the next line, it's just going to leave a standard amount of space which you normally see. I can actually set to 1.5 times the normal space, or even double. When you do double, that just means it's going to leave twice the amount of space between that line and the line before it. And that's useful when you're typing something out, so your words are very easily seen and read. I'm going to close this up now, and I'm going to go up here and I'm going to show you these. These are your margin and indent line arrows. These actually set the margins on your page, and you can actually move these very easily. If you take and click this bottom arrow right here, you see there's now a dotted line the whole way down. You can see the T is connected right to it. Well, if we move this to say go over here to the one line, you'll see now that the word type once again has moved right along with it. And now over here, this is the right side's margin, and we can actually set this also, change where it is, and say go right here to number 5. Now I set the space so small it's now in between there. But I can change this even more. This top arrow is actually separate from the bottom. If you click on the top arrow, you'll actually move the first line indent to there. So the page will always line up with this one, except for the first line. When you start up, it will go to where this second arrow is. So that's very useful for when you're doing things on it. If you want to set up where you want each paragraph to start in the word. And again, if you need to undo anything you've done, it's very easy. You can go up here. Now you can see it says undo formatting. That's what I was just working on. So if I click it once, you can see the arrow moves back with the double arrows move back together. I click it a second time. You see the right indent now is moved back to the grayed area. I click it a third time, and it's now moved back to the very beginning. That makes your life easier when you need to do things. Next thing we're going to do is talk about inserting links, or inserting what we call hyperlinks. These are address web pages. Say you go to a web page and you decide, oh, I want to put this in here. All you got to do is click on Insert Hyperlink, and this will open up. In this first page, you're going to type, you're going to paste in the address that you want to put in here. Say it was www.google.com. Alright. Now this is a web page, so you want to go to down here where it says browse page. And you can actually go to one of the pages. In fact, here's download.com. And once you double click it, it will open up the web page. Now you can also just, if you wanted to, just copy the page, and you literally can just go to the page, your Word document here, and just right click and click paste. And once again it will thanks. You remember when I said about Justify? This is what Justify will do. You've seen it actually space these out. I'm just going to click this so it's now all aligned to the left. There we go. Now, there's other things you can do. You can actually copy and paste pictures onto the your pages. So let's go over here to Insert, and we'll just go down here where it says Picture. Now you can choose to put in a piece of clip art that's already saved on the computer. You can put a picture in that you have saved already. You can go for a word shape, which is already in there, or you can actually put a chart in there. And there's some other things you can do. You can create your own drawing in the document itself. And you can even make an organization chart. But we're not going to do any of that right now. We're going to go right up here to clip art. And when you click on it, it's going to open up a page for you here. I'm just waiting for it to do it. And right here we'll search, we'll put computer in. Hit enter. Now you just give a few seconds, you can see there's all these different computer images. So we're going to just insert that one. And there you go. And that's how you insert a picture. Doing it for a table or for a table is a little different. Easiest way to do a table is to come right here. And it says insert table. Now you're able to create a table for whatever size you want. Say you want a table of just one item, or you can go as far as 5 items, or you can go for a whole one like this. So we'll just click this for now, and there you go. And you can just insert whatever you want in each box, bill, car, and so on until you fill all the boxes. And alright, and I think that will take care of this video. We'll do one more video on this, and where this video will show you how to save a page and then how to print it. Thank you for watching these videos, and have a good day.